okay, this time I don't talk the other side wey be pro. I don't talk all the side wey come dey sound like say e get how the thing be. Na the people no dey like to hear, especially the side wey connect to that thing wey concern my own request. Na that one the ear go close but tongue don cut off. But no be the matter we dey now. That one no be the thing wey we dey talk. The one wey dey talk pass that one. But this time around, I dey here to talk the most important aspect inside 2017 now, so that everybody na him go know. As the season don pass and everything dey like that, the benefit be say I repeat the story. When I wrote the letter then finish, if to say the various ex-president offices and authorities come sit down, come put head together, come talk say this thing wey this man write so no be something wey dem dey write ordinary like that, wey just be ordinary person own. You go come get opportunity to rub mind. Na there una don get one history. I don talk this thing before. Na there una don get one history be say something don bring una together wey relate to global issue. For Germany here, na im make e be say na im everything kpoju. Na im I don show them everything wey concern the things wey be global things, wey be powers and things and this and that. So na im therefore don take fit to approach the Rigerion on something global. That means that little harm and the people wey dem say be little inside, na opportunity wey dem be get to go rub mind properly with their Oberbürgermeister and Bürgermeister. That one na the history wey dey authentic, wey pure. Because the people wey carry the matter come, their history go pure. Then e go be the place where the Oberbürgermeister dem now for don fit get something wey concern global issue, like I talk before, wey dem dey discuss with Bundeskanzlerin on a special note. Because as the world dey pieces so, I sure say anybody no fit do anything about it at all, any corner. I don talk am for 2013, no be say I no talk am. So e don tey. Then e go be say the benefit be now be say harm go enter inside proper history and office of the Bundeskanzlerin. If Bundeskanzlerin say e no gree, say e no believe, na be say una go show am the natural disaster groove, how the road dey go. E go gree now because you know the thing wey dey happen, you know the thing wey dey. But na there una come take note say no be atomic scientist na im go fit stop the things. Say na me wey dey here, wey dey talk as I dey do am, wey be like play so. Na im go take tell am. Then she go know, say Her Excellency go know, say okay, this one na opportunity, make all the whole European community come. Make them for talk wetin dey global concerning the global natural disaster events, activities. And these things na something wey dem for don take precaution since. If to say dem do these things, well, these benefits wey they talk so they come, you go no see say e no go happen. To prove to una say e no go happen, nothing happen inside here. But when I see the things wey dey sha, na so happen for 2013 o. And then you go be say na there the United Union dem go gather head and hand together on global issue too, wey originate from myself through Ham via Bundeskanzlerin, then reach their table. Na be say Ham don enter inside proper talk for inside Bundesregierung be that, wey concern global issue. Before na world power dem dey talk global issue, but I no know wetin dem don talk come out about natural disaster and the events wey dey involved. As e be so na there e go be say those people too wey I been say na dem dey do some things, na there dem go take come become important, even come get better payment and attention. Na true the thing wey I been talk, na be that let my people go. You think say how many human beings dem go fit give money from only ham here? You no go refit. Only to give me palace and one whole place like that, na they don say too much of Iman. Give my brother then, na him be say one kibo, give my sister, you wan finish, give my woman, you don scatter everything. Na him make it be like that big for I now. Na because you no make am global issue. Since 4 years. Now I say okay, make una wait patiently. Una go fit still wait again now. Time dey well o. So you go come look say the advantage be say na there dem go fit rectify every issue as Europe, the continent. Now it go small like this, the matter go come tiny, but the history go big. Because you are talking global concern. No be say make dem go tell dem say me I be criminal, I wan do earthquake scatter everywhere, na make me be criminal. Who wetin that one dey make person to be criminal again? Na be say Shango na criminal now because you do thunder. And if you call me criminal, say na be say don say Shango too na criminal, na be say no get respect at all. So European community, they will come get global issue to discuss with United Nations. Now so this 2017 go function after the short break.